This is crispy, crunchy and tangy Paneer Jalfrezi. Jalfrezi is packed with crunchy vegetables and creamy paneer. Now look at this juicy and tender paneer. This Paneer Jalfrezi is heavenly. Let's get it done. Cut your paneer into medium-sized chunks and now shallow fry it into a medium hot oil. And once it gets a color, flip it over. And once it's golden colored from all the sides, take it out of the pan. And now in leftover oil, add chopped onion. And now fry it on a medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Caramelize your onion from all sides. Keep stirring continuously because there is sugar in it and you want to caramelize it properly. It will take about 5 to 6 minutes. And now add ginger and garlic paste. And now stir well. You want to cook ginger and garlic paste for about 3 to 4 minutes or until raw aromas have disappeared. Once ginger and garlic are cooked, add chili powder and turmeric powder. Put the gas setting to lowest and give it a stir. Cook these spices for 30 to 40 seconds and then add chopped tomatoes. And now season the masala with some salt and cook these tomatoes with onions for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they have completely disappeared in the sauce. And in about 5 to 6 minutes the tomatoes have disintegrated in the sauce. Now add warm water. Give a good stir, making sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pan. And now cover the pan and cook this masala on a very gentle flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. And now after 5 to 6 minutes, your masala base for Jalfrezi is ready. Now let it cool down and then blend it into a fine puree. You want to make sure that your masala is cold, is chilled properly before you put it into a blender jar. Like this. You have a base for your Paneer Jalfrezi. Now in a white pan, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let it heat up on a low flame and then add cumin seeds. Let them crackle a little and then add dry red chilies, seedless green chilies and sliced ginger. Now stir these for about 30 to 40 seconds and then add sliced onion and peppers. Put the gas setting to medium to high and stir them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are nicely scorched. The Jalfrezi is a quick stir fry dish. You want to make sure that you don't overcook the veggies. They should be crunched, but they should be nicely scorched from the outer surface for the maximum flavor. And about 2 to 3 minutes, the veggies have nicely scorched. At this stage, put the flame down and add fried paneer, sliced tomatoes, and add pureed masala. And carefully and gently coat the vegetables with this masala. And I top it up with some coriander powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, and toasted kasuri methi leaves. Add just the seasoning and give it a stir. Now coat the Paneer Jalfrezi with these spices and now finally top it up with freshly chopped coriander leaves and thinly sliced ginger. And now coat these herbs into this Paneer Jalfrezi to give a fresh flavor, and you have your Paneer Jalfrezi ready in your own kitchen.